Alright. Getting the day started. Gonna go hit the gym right now, and then we're gonna go install some coils on a Subi. So yeah, gym. That's not recording. Today's project, boys. Yeah. Do a burnout.
No.
Jaws?
Car. We're almost out of gas.
Is that you, Jaws? Look at all my stuff. What's that? Don't scrape, buddy. We get the car, but there's no wheel locks. All right, got the car jacked up, just waiting for the wheel locks, but it's gonna be pretty basic, just like any other coils, at least I've done. So it's just boom, 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 and then you get the rest of it off through the wheel well over here. Same thing on the other side, and then if we come around back, we'll see in the trunk, it's gonna be right here. So boom, boom, and drops down. I believe it's only a 4-piece. For my car, it was a 6-piece because there's a shock in a different spot. But yeah, this is a 4-piece, so it's just gonna drop down, and you just swap it out. So it's pretty straightforward. I'm about to get started on it once Daniel gets back. So this is what we're gonna be installing right here. It's stanced coilovers. Don't know the specs. I don't know if they're custom or just the straight stock ones you can buy from them. But it's gonna be going on the Subi. Should be fun. Should be pretty easy.
Maybo, you start hearing me cry? Is this your brother? That was my first problem with this car.
Damn it, Daniel.
Okay.
Fuck you.
Yeah. Dude, freaking, I don't know why when I was driving the WRX, this shit seemed quick, dude.
Front suspension done. Super easy. Daniel's finishing up on that side.
30 minutes?
What?
What was that, like 30 minutes?
I think 13 minutes.
13, oh shit.
Oh, should have set a timer. Lower this bitch.
Move that bus! Okay. This is good enough for him right now, dude.
It's a subtle drop.
So you see me out here hell sweating, dude. We just got done with the front, so I need a 10-minute break. California law. Gotta hit the vape. Maybo's working hard over here.
Or hardly working.
No, he's working hard. Look at that. Loosening up the wheels. This guy honestly has some weak ass wheels. He thought that he had 18s. I looked at the specs. Yeah, I'm recording. I'm looking at the specs. I see that it's 17 by 7 plus fucking 40. I'm like, this nigga's damn near riding on my stock RSX rims. Maybo's out here playing baby making music, trying to fucking inseminate me. Yeah, the tires are 215/50 17s. I don't know if he's trying to be race car or what. Yeah, this guy's just trying to fuck me, weirdo. But he's trying to fuck me hell clean. But yeah, I told him these specs were hella weak. If he's trying to stance the nation this thing, 18s. And you know, I'm not gonna lie, the guy doesn't really know a lot. Hence the eBay ass spoiler he has on the car. Yeah, it's going on the vlog. I don't care. Angel, if you're watching this, no offense to you, but you're a ricer. All right, we can still be friends, but you're a ricer. Legit. I'll never throw on a spoiler like that in my life. But we'll help you build this car to be cool. We'll help you not be a racer. But okay, I'm gonna switch it off to Maybo.
So, you know, I went and cleaned garbage. Not garbage.
This, and one other bolt. This shit just pops right off.
What? Just have to remove that. And then the two in the trunk. Wash it real quick. It's lowered. It's cool for now.
Sweet as dude. So coils all done, super easy. It was a 2013 Subaru Impreza WRX with stance coils. I don't know if it's a different type of stance coil. Not too familiar with the stance coils, so I don't know if it's like the basic one or like a special one. Like how BC has their different series. It might be a different series, but super simple. I think altogether it was only like 20 bolts, and it took us less than 2 hours with Daniel going to the store and buying the lug nut key. But yep, sweating a little bit, but
Final product. Going off on the Rohnert. Clean.